Here's a quick weather briefing for this Monday, November 16th, 2015. Taking a look at the prospects for heavy rain over the next 24 to 30 hours. This map shows you where we have flood and flash flood watches either currently in effect or will go into effect tonight. In our area, a watch covers southeast Missouri, southern Illinois, and western Kentucky from Highway 45 west to the Mississippi. Runs from later tonight through early Wednesday morning. We expect highest rainfall totals to be over southeast Missouri west of Interstate 55. Amounts from 3 to 6 inches are forecast. Slightly lower amounts in southern Illinois, but still substantial, 2.5 to 4 inches forecast. East of the watch area from southwest Indiana, including Evansville down into the Pennyroyal region of West Kentucky, 1 to as much as 2.5 inches of rain is forecast. This map is a rainfall deficit map, one that takes into account the past 90 days, and areas shaded in orange, yellow, and a tan coloring there show where we are well below normal as far as precipitation is concerned, and that includes having a couple of recent rainfall events. That, combined with relatively high flash flood guidance values that we use from the river forecast centers to gauge the prospects for flash flooding, we're looking at values anywhere from just under 3 inches to nearly 4 inches of rainfall required in a 6-hour period for flash flooding. In this event, we're forecasting 3 to 6 in a 24 to 30 hour time frame. So flash flooding may be isolated at best. Overall, we think this event is going to be a lower end event for most of the region, where we have minor flooding in lowland, poor drainage areas, maybe where leaves have collected over the past month or so. Roads that typically become water covered will have problems in some areas. The highest rainfall amounts are across southeast Missouri, so the greatest risk for flash flooding will be across the Ozark foothills, where we do have the terrain and increased relief. So that, we think, will be the primary area of impacts if we're going to have flash flooding at all. It will be over the western reaches of our area, including the Ozark foothills. But by and large, the rest of southeast Missouri, as you head toward I-55 and up into southern Illinois, we think mainly minor flooding for the most part. So in summary, again, the greatest impact area, likely southeast Missouri. We did coordinate with the river forecast centers as well, and they think we could see some minor flooding on the smaller rivers in southeast Missouri, but that's about it. As far as timing, 2 rounds of significant rainfall with this system. We'll see the first batch move across southeast Missouri and southern Illinois later tonight into early Tuesday morning. Then it will lift off to the northeast, and we may have a bit of a lull from the midday and into the afternoon hours, especially east of the Mississippi. But by late in the day, it will be picking up again over southeast Missouri, and a large area of showers and isolated thunderstorms will move from west to east across our region Tuesday night. And then it will push out of the area finally Wednesday morning. And again, we expect mainly lowland and poor drainage areas to have some minor flooding, although there is a slightly greater concern for flash flooding across the Ozark foothill region of southeast Missouri. So that is your briefing for this Monday, November 16th. We hope you have a good afternoon.